Koalas are extraordinary creatures. They are native to Australia. These animals are instantly recognizable. They have fluffy ears, big noses, and soft, woolly fur. Koalas are often called koala bears. But did you know they are not bears? They are marsupials. This means baby koalas, called joeys, develop in their mother's pouch. Koalas capture hearts worldwide. They have a gentle nature, and their sleepy demeanor adds to their charm. But there is more to these creatures than meets the eye. In this exploration, we will uncover fascinating facts about koalas. Prepare to be amazed by these incredible animals. Koalas are found only in Australia. They live in eucalyptus forests. These forests are on the mainland and some islands. The trees provide everything koalas need. They eat the leaves, they sleep in the branches. They even find shelter from the sun in their shade. Different regions have different types of eucalyptus trees. Koalas prefer certain types. They have their favorites. This preference makes protecting their habitat crucial. Loss of these forests is a big threat to koala survival. Koalas are herbivores. This means they eat plants. But they are picky eaters. Their diet consists almost entirely of eucalyptus leaves. These leaves are tough and low in nutrients. Not many animals can eat them. To digest these leaves, koalas have a special digestive system. They have a long cecum. This is a part of their gut. It helps them break down the tough leaves. The leaves also make koalas sleepy. They sleep up to 20 hours a day. Koalas have many adaptations that help them survive. Their sharp claws help them climb trees. Their strong limbs allow them to grip branches. They have 2 thumbs on their front paws. This gives them a strong grip. Their thick fur keeps them warm in winter and cool in summer. They even have special scent glands. These glands are on their chests. They use them to mark their territory. Section 5. A day in the life of a koala. Koalas spend most of their day sleeping. They are nocturnal. This means they are most active at night. When they are not sleeping, they eat. They can eat up to 1 kilogram of leaves a day. Koalas are solitary animals. This means they like to live alone. They only come together to mate. Mothers are very protective of their young. They carry their joeys in their pouches for about 6 months. Section 6. Surprising facts about these marsupials. Koalas are fascinating creatures with many surprising traits that make them unique among marsupials. Here are some surprising facts about koalas. Koalas have fingerprints? Yes, you heard that right. These adorable animals have fingerprints that are remarkably similar to those of humans. They are so close to humans that even experts can struggle to tell them apart. This similarity can sometimes cause confusion at crime scenes, as koala prints can be mistaken for human ones. Koalas are surprisingly good swimmers. Despite their cuddly appearance, they are quite adept in the water. They can cross rivers and even swim to other islands. This ability helps them find new habitats and escape from potential threats. Baby koalas eat their mother's poop. It's true. This might sound gross, but it's a crucial part of their development. This special poop, known as pap, helps them digest eucalyptus leaves, which are their primary food source. Eucalyptus leaves are tough and toxic, but pap contains the necessary bacteria to break them down. Koalas can make different sounds. They are not as silent as they might seem. They can growl, squeak, and even bellow. These sounds are used for various purposes, such as attracting mates or warding off rivals. They use these sounds to communicate. Each sound has a specific meaning and helps them interact with each other in their environment. Koalas have a very small brain for their body size. In fact, their brain only takes up about 60% of their cranial cavity. It's thought to be an adaptation to their low-energy diet. Eucalyptus leaves provide very little nutrition, so koalas conserve energy by having a smaller brain and sleeping up to 20 hours a day. Section 7. Koalas in peril, their conservation status. Koalas, the iconic marsupials of Australia, are facing a dire situation that threatens their very existence. Sadly, koalas are facing many threats. These gentle creatures are struggling to survive in an increasingly hostile environment. Their biggest threat is habitat loss. The eucalyptus forests, which are their primary source of food and shelter, are being destroyed at an alarming rate. People are cutting down forests for farming and development. This deforestation is not only reducing the area where koalas can live, but also fragmenting their habitat, making it difficult for them to find food and mates. This leaves koalas with nowhere to live. Other threats include bushfires. The increasing frequency and intensity of bushfires, driven by climate change, are devastating their habitats. Climate change is increasing the frequency and intensity of bushfires, which can devastate koala populations. These fires not only destroy their homes but also lead to severe injuries and deaths among koalas. Koalas are susceptible to diseases like chlamydia, which can cause blindness and infertility. This disease is rampant among koala populations and significantly impacts their ability to reproduce and survive. As humans encroach on their habitat, koalas are increasingly hit by cars. Roads and highways cut through their territories, leading to frequent and often fatal collisions. These threats have led to a decline in koala numbers. The combination of habitat loss, bushfires, disease and vehicle collisions is pushing koalas towards extinction. In some areas, they are already extinct. The loss of koalas in these regions is a stark reminder of the urgent need for conservation efforts. It is crucial that we protect koalas and their habitat. Conservation efforts, such as creating protected areas, restoring habitats, and addressing climate change, are essential to ensure the survival of this beloved species. By taking action now, we can help secure a future for koalas and preserve the natural heritage of Australia. Section 8. What makes koalas so unique? Several factors make koalas unique. They are specialized herbivores. Their diet consists almost entirely of eucalyptus leaves, which are poisonous to most other animals. This unique diet requires a highly specialized digestive system to detoxify the harmful chemicals found in the leaves. They are perfectly adapted to their arboreal lifestyle. Koalas spend most of their lives in trees, rarely coming down to the ground. Their strong limbs and sharp claws allow them to climb and navigate the branches with ease. Their physical features, from their sharp claws to their two thumbs, are designed for life in the trees. These adaptations not only help them climb, but also grip the smooth bark of eucalyptus trees securely. They have a fascinating social structure. Koalas are generally solitary animals, but they do have overlapping home ranges and can interact with each other. While they are solitary creatures, they communicate through a range of vocalizations and scent marking. Males have a distinctive bellow that can be heard over long distances, which helps them establish territory and attract females. They play a vital role in their ecosystem. By eating eucalyptus leaves, they help to control the growth of these trees, which in turn affects the entire forest structure. By maintaining the balance of eucalyptus forests, koalas indirectly support other species that depend on these trees for shelter and food. Their presence is crucial for the health and diversity of their habitat. Section 9. The importance of protecting koalas. Protecting koalas is not just about saving a single species, it's about preserving biodiversity and maintaining the health of our planet. Here's why. Koalas are an indicator species. Their health reflects the health of the entire eucalyptus ecosystem. Koalas contribute to tourism. People travel from all over the world to see these iconic animals, which supports local economies. Koalas are part of Australia's natural heritage. They hold cultural significance for Indigenous Australians and are a source of national pride. Section 10. A final word on these gentle creatures. Koalas, with their sleepy eyes and gentle nature, hold a special place in our hearts. These fascinating creatures, perfectly adapted to their eucalyptus world, remind us of the wonders of the natural world. Their plight is a stark reminder of our impact on the planet. It is our responsibility to ensure their survival for generations to come. Let us all do our part to protect these extraordinary animals and their precious habitat.